welcome to Be.Tech.Construction. That's tech as in technical, so there is no copyright issues with your B.Tech qualification. See what I did there? Very clever. I'm Richard Price, construction expert extraordinaire who knows all there is to know about construction and will be passing on my wisdom to you. No, only joking, but I have been in the industry for about 10 years and have studied and worked in a fair few areas of the industry, and I'm creating a platform for online tutorials to help you along with your studies. You've probably never given much thought to how a building comes into existence, but if you did think about it, you'd probably think that it starts with someone wanting a building, that person paying someone to design one, the designer passing on the designs to the construction company, that company building the thing, and then the owner has their building, and that is that. Funnily enough, that is what leaders and pioneers in the industry are trying to promote. This is how it should happen, but please forget the idea that this is actually how things go down. Yes, we start out with a client who wants a building, and he does select a lead designer called an architect to design his building, but after that it's all out warfare. For a large building there will be scores, if not hundreds, of different companies involved with some part of the project. This could be legal and planning permission, sustainability and environmental factors, architects designing what the building looks like, structural engineers making sure the design won't fall down, building service designer companies putting in the pipework, the air ducts for the ventilation systems, the lighting, the security TV systems, the escalator systems, the lifts, the fire alarm systems, the access control, and everything else you can think of that you would see in a building. Each of them different companies located in different parts of the UK or even the world. The story is the same when it actually comes to start constructing the building. There is one lead contractor, but work gets handed down to subcontractors, who may hand further work down to more subcontractors, right down to one man and his van. All different companies, all wading through a treacle-like sea of regulations, health and safety laws, documentation and reports, method statements, specifications and construction drawings. Did you think that all these companies were working as one team? That's what I thought when I started studying construction, but there is a major problem. Construction projects do not run smoothly. There is simply too much information and so many people involved that mistakes are inevitable and frequent, and when mistakes are made, someone is going to have to pay. Literally, someone needs to be found responsible and will lose out on money. All companies will be looking to protect themselves and show how any mistakes made are not the fault of them. And then if a certain company is found to be responsible, the teams within that company will be looking to show how it was a different department's fault and not their own. And then even within that team, we will be looking to find a single individual who is responsible for potentially massive costly mistakes. I personally work in an area of construction called Building Information Modelling that looks to help reduce the frequency of mistakes being made throughout a project. BIM, as it is known, will feature heavily on this channel. We will be looking at how and why construction projects go wrong, how we look for remedies for these problems. We will be looking at a wide range of disciplines within the construction and particularly the science, physics and mathematics behind certain subjects. We will also be focusing on mental well-being within the industry. So please subscribe and good luck with your studies.